Let the trumpet sound throughout the earth. Let every nation hear the warning. Wake up, my people. The hour has come to return to God.
The trumpet has sounded.
Wake up and return! Do not harden your heart. Do not delay another day while mercy is still calling. Return to God today.
Wake up from your sleep. The trumpet is sounding. The hour is urgent. The Lord is calling the nations.
Return to me. Return now.
Return now.
While mercy is calling.
Return now.
Return now.
Break up the ground and return now. Great cities and trusted our power. We gained the whole world but neglected the hour. We called evil good and pushed truth away. We honored your name but rejected your ways. Our churches are crowded but hearts remain cold. We speak about heaven while clinging to gold. We planted our prayers in the thorns of our pride, but nothing is hidden from your searching eyes.
Break up the fallow ground. Remove the stones within. Tear down every secret altar. Turn away from hidden sin. Wake up, my people.
The trumpet is sounding.
Return to the Lord
while mercy is calling.
Wash your hearts.
Let wickedness depart.
Wake up, my people.
Give God your whole heart.
Wake up, my people.
Do not turn away. Return to me today. Not tomorrow.
Today.
Not another hour.
Today.
While mercy speaks.
Today.
We will return.
Today.
The earth is groaning beneath our rebellion. Violence is rising from nation to nation. The hungry are crying, the helpless are sold. Justice is silenced for silver and gold. Families are breaking, our children are wounded. Truth is exchanged and deception is crowned. We decorate sin, call bondage freedom, while hearts made for God are growing cold.
How long will empty thoughts remain within your heart? How long will you protect what God has said must part? Break up the fallow ground. Let every idol fall. The Lord is not demanding words. He is demanding all. Wake up, my people.
The trumpet is sounding.
Return to the Lord
while mercy is calling.
Wash your hearts.
Let wickedness depart.
Wake up, my people.
Give God your whole heart. Do not say, we are safe, while rebellion remains in the house. Do not cry, peace, while truth has been thrown into the street. Do not lift holy hands while refusing to release wickedness. Do not sing of revival while protecting the idols in your heart. The warning is mercy, the trumpet is mercy, the conviction you feel is mercy. Return while mercy is calling. A warning is moving across every nation. Do not put your confidence in civilization. No government, fortune, or human alliance can rescue a heart that persists in defiance. The proud will be humbled, deception exposed. The things done in darkness will all be disclosed. The Lord does not measure the beauty outside. He searches the thoughts and the motives inside.
Sound the trumpet.
Wake the nations.
Let the sleeping church
poor,
young and old,
every tribe,
in every land.
humble your hearts.
Turn from evil.
It is time to take your stand.
Are you listening?
We hear the warning.
We hear the warning.
Will money save us?
No, only God.
Will power keep us?
No, only God.
What must be broken?
The fallow ground.
What must be washed?
Our sinful heart.
When must we answer?
Today, today, to whom must we return?
The living God.
No more sleeping. No more hiding. No more friendship with the world. No more idols.
No more compromise.
We belong unto the Lord. No more silence.
No more running.
We will stand upon His word.
We are turning.
We are returning.
We are coming back to God.
Search me, oh God.
Expose what I hide.
Remove every idol I have carried inside. Forgive my rebellion. Wash me from sin. Break up the hardened ground.
Begin your work again.
I do not want religion.
Without a changed
I
heart.
do not want your blessing.
While refusing your commands.
Here is my pride.
Here is my will.
Take everything, Lord.
I surrender it all.
Even after every warning, your mercy is still calling. Even after all our wandering, your arms are open wide.
You discipline.
Those you love, you awaken those who sleep.
You preserve a faithful remnant.
Your covenant, you will keep. We hear you calling.
We are returning.
We turn to the Lord.
Your mercy is flowing.
Wash your hearts, let wickedness depart. Wake up, my people.
Give God your whole heart. We kick Oak Church. We built great cities and trusted our power. We gained the whole world but neglected the hour. We called evil good and pushed truth away. We honored your name but rejected your ways. Our churches are crowded but hearts remain cold. We speak about heaven while clinging to gold. We planted our prayers in the thorns of our pride, but nothing is hidden from your searching eyes. Break up the fallow ground. Remove the stones within. Tear down every secret altar. Turn away from hidden sin. Wake up, my people. The trumpet is sounding.
We turn to the Lord.
While mercies